Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kim, the Perspective Planner. I am the owner and creator of the Perspective Planner. And here on YouTube, I make faith-based content, lifestyle content, and small business content. Speaking of which, it has been a while since I've posted here on YouTube, and there's no one reason why, but life has just been a bit heavy, and God called me to a season of stillness, which is the topic of today's video. Now, if you've watched my previous videos, you know when speaking about a word, I have to start by defining the word. So, stillness, as it relates to the common definition, means tranquil silence, a state of no motion or movement, but in a spiritual or holy sense, it is peace and trust in God. Now, the importance of holy stillness is that it heightens our continuous acknowledgement of God's presence and His authority in our lives. I do want to emphasize here that stillness is not nothingness. We have to be actively still by spending quality time with God, listening to praise and worship music, meditating on scripture, getting out in nature for a walk while praying, journaling our thoughts and feelings to document the season of stillness, or whatever unique way you choose to cultivate your personal relationship with God. A beautiful part of experiencing a season of holy stillness is that while you may not be in motion or speaking, that doesn't mean that God isn't speaking or moving on your behalf. And so this is a great reminder that we don't have to be our own problem solvers when we fully surrender to His word, His will, and His way. Holy stillness allows us to tune into God's voice more intently, which leads us to greater intimacy with God. It also increases our discernment and reminds us who God is, as well as who we are in Him. It helps us to decrease while He increases. It refuels us, it strengthens us, it prepares our minds and our bodies for when God commands us to move again. So if you are in a season of holy stillness, I want to leave you with one popular scripture, and that is Psalm 46:10. Be still and know that I am God. That scripture hits different when you actually know who God is intimately, a type of reverent knowing that He is the creator of all things. He is all powerful. He is all knowing, which means He is in control. So it is okay to be still because He got it and He got you. All right, so that is the end of this video. I hope you were able to gain a new perspective on stillness. If I was not able to change your perspective, I hope I was able to challenge it, because in this community, we know that perspective brings peace. Speaking of community, if you're not a part of this one, this is your personal invitation to join by subscribing to this channel. Also, like, thumbs up this video. So until next time, bye.